24 누구보다 더 빨리 오늘 이를 것만 같아. My life is up in a movie all the time. 해 뜨는 곳으로 달렸어 every single night. 누구의 내일가 봤던 것도 같아. 온 세상이 너무 컸던 그 소리는 Keep on running all day night 잡아들어 Friend running stop it I'll be in the air plano 전 세계로 rock now 매일만 올라라 내 바람을 받는 건지 놓쳐버리는 적이 Don't know what to do but am I living this way When I'm under this 시간가 속인 걸까 I can't go you I can't hold you
Hey guys, so as you know, I do like to put a little vlog section at the end of my dance videos just in case you guys were curious of how I shot this video and just want to see some behind the scene clips. I know Jungkook's My Time song is about his family and his friends and how he feels that everything is just going by so fast and that right now he doesn't have time to spend with his friends and family. He can't see them, he can't hold them, he can't do a lot of the things that a lot of his friends are doing because he is always on tour, always on the go with BTS. I know it is kind of a sad-ish song, but it is pretty hopeful and positive at the end. However, the song itself and the vibe is very R&B, very sexy. That was just like the whole vibe that I got. And I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh my god, why did you do a sexy piece to a sad song? It's the vibe, okay? You can't tell me that this song does not sound like baby making music. Also, our outfits are inspired by Jungkook and a satin shirt because that itself is a whole mood, I must say. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy another dance video and enjoy these BTS clips of my BTS shoot.
Yeah, I don't know where I go Even if it's opposite of sun One time for the present Two times for the past I've been down with each other
Then there's no awkward space where they like come in like that. I'll like go over to the next person and they could like come up with me.
Oh my god! Tuesday, so that's Jane. Mina's over here talking about why each day is her bias day. OT7! So Mina's OT7. Who's your bias?
It's Jen and RM.
Oh my gosh, yes. This is Kairis and Joyce. Do your best BTS move. Oh!